Everybody, today we are going to show you 7 top tricks how to play with someone or make a bet with somebody and always win. First trick is going like this. You put 3 knives, one on another, and make it so stable you can put another cup on it. Like for example this. And here how it goes. First you make 3 cups like a triangle. Then you put 1 knife. Then you take another one and put on top of it. You put on top of it. And then you take the third one, put first part down and the second part up. And it stabilizes everything. That's it. The second trick is to bet with your friends that you can move things with your finger. For example, let's put like this. It's for making pizza oregano. Now you just take your finger and yes, it went to the side. This is how we do it. You put some oregano in it, and then you tell your friend, you give me some money if I move this with my finger. And then this is a trick. You use dish soap and you put it on your finger. And you just put your finger on oregano, and this is how it goes. Okay, the third trick is to bet with your friend that you can change the side of this sign by not moving the glass or the paper, and it goes like this. You just put the cup like this and it changed, as you can see. That's it. Okay, the fourth trick is to make your friend to put his hand on the corner of doors, like this. Make him do it, squeeze his hand on the corner for 30 seconds, and after he does it, his hand will go up by itself. Okay, the next trick we're gonna show you is how to put an egg to balance it like this. So you can bet with your friend and they will never make it because it goes like this. First you put a little salt and then you balance the egg on it. And then you just blow up. When you balance it, you just blow the salt off. The next trick we're gonna show you is using this. You just wrap a piece of paper, a glass, a coin, and a card. So we'll put the card on the glass, then we'll put this wrapped paper, and finally we're gonna put the coin on top of this. And now let's ask your friend, how are we going to put this paper off by not touching anything? You just put your head down and just blow into it. That's it. Okay, for our last trick we're gonna do an amazing experiment. We're gonna bet with our friends that we can pull this coin out of the water without getting our fingers wet or anything like that. So we're gonna put this coin into the water like this. We're gonna you can use from a blind those for closing ones, but I didn't have one, so I made it out of plastic. You put that in water. You take one, fire it, just a second, and it has to be really close so it fires it all at once. Now when we've done that, we take like this, hit up a bit, just close it. And as you can see, it sucked all the water up. Now it's no water, just take the coin and that's it.